Hey friends, if Wi-Fi option is not showing in settings on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is to enable the adapter. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the Wi-Fi network and then you can make sure that it is enabled. If you see disabled here, it means that it is enabled and it will be in green. If not, right click on it and select enable. The next solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. And lastly, update the drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.